Genetic drift is also called as genetic sapling, or it is otherwise called Sewall-Wright effect. It is Balago-Atto, which is a species of catfish. So ATP is known as energy currency of a cell, as we know, and it was Carl Lohmann. Silkworm possesses a pair of modified salivary glands. Silkworm. Nebenkein is the mitochondrial formation in the human sperm. Moving on to question number 21, an example for Pasteur effect is option A Saccharomyces, option B Nostoc, option C Penicillium, and option D Pinnillaria. Pasteur effect is an inhibiting effect of oxygen in the fermentation process, and this effect can be easily explained in yeast, that is Saccharomyces, which is a facultative anaerobe and can produce energy using two different metabolic pathways. So an example for Pasteur effect is Saccharomyces, that is yeast called Saccharomyces. So option A Saccharomyces is correct, option B Nostoc is wrong, option C Penicillium is wrong, option D Pinnillaria is wrong. So option A is the right answer. Moving on to question number 22. One of the following is called Sewall-Wright effect. Option A, gene pool. Option B, gene flow. Option C, genetic drift. And option D, isolation. Genetic drift is also called as genetic sapling, or it is otherwise called Sewall-Wright effect. A change in the gene pool of a small population that takes place strictly by chance. It is also called as allelic drift also. This is also called as allelic drift. So, answer is genetic drift. Option A, gene pool is wrong. Option B, gene flow is wrong. Option C, genetic drift is correct. Option D, isolation is wrong. So, option C is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 23. Match the types of cells listed in column 1 with the secretions in column 2. Choose the answer which gives the correct combination of the alphabets of the two columns. A, beta cells, B, mast cells, C, Paneth cells, D, acinar cells, P, lysozyme, Q, mucus, R, histamine, S, insulin, T, pancreatic enzymes. So, beta cells is insulin. Mast cells is what? Histamine. Then Paneth cells is lysozyme. Then acinar cells is the pancreatic enzymes. So A is S, B is R, C is P, and D is T. Beta cells insulin, mast cells histamine, Paneth cells lysozyme, then acinar cells pancreatic enzymes. So A is yes. Here it is A is yes. Here it is A is Q, wrong. Here also it is A is yes. Here it is A is T. So these two options are wrong. Go for the next one. BR. Here it is BR. Here it is BQ. So wrong. Go to the next one. CP. Here also it is correct. Here it is also CP, DT, but here this one is wrong. B is Q. Here it should be BR. So D is T. So option A is the right answer. Moving on to question number 24. Which of the following is a mechanical barrier used in birth control? Right, contraceptive methods. Mechanical barrier. Usually it will be IUDs, intrauterine devices. Option A, copper T, B, diaphragm, C, loop, D, Dalton shield. IUDs, intrauterine devices, are usually either made up of plastic or metal objects which is placed in the uterus of the female by a qualified doctor. So diaphragm, it is one such mechanical barrier which is soft cup-shaped rubber device being used by women to cover the entrance of the uterus, and it is considered as one of the reliable one for use, as it is not going to cause any side effects and it prevents the sperm reaching the egg, and it is one of the mechanical barriers. So answer is diaphragm. So option A, copper T, is wrong. Option B, diaphragm, is correct. Option C, loop, is wrong. Option D, Dalton shield, is wrong. So option B is the right answer. Moving on to question number 25. The gases used in the spark discharge apparatus were. Spark discharge apparatus is also called as Miller's experiment because it was designed by Stanley Miller and Harold Urey. So, what are the gases used in spark discharge apparatus were? O2, CO2 and NH3. NH3, CH4 and O2, that is ammonia, methane and oxygen. Hydrogen, methane and ammonia, carbon dioxide, ammonia and methane. So Miller-Urey experiment, which is considered as to be the classic experiment on the origin of life, how life originated on this planet Earth, which was conducted in 1953 by Stanley Miller and Harold Urey. And this experiment used water, H2O, methane, CH4 and ammonia, NH3 and hydrogen, which were believed to be to represent the major components of the prebiotic atmosphere or the early Earth's atmosphere. So it is hydrogen, methane and ammonia. So option A is O2, CO2 is wrong. Here option O2 is wrong. Hydrogen correct, methane correct and ammonia correct. Here it is carbon dioxide, ammonia. So it is wrong. So option C is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 26. Choose the catfish from the following. Option A, Labia rohita, B, Katla katla, C, Sirenia mrigala and D, Balago attu. It is Balago attu, which is a species of catfish in the family belonging to the family Siluridae, and they have rain fins and they are named for their permanent barbels, just like the cat whiskers, hence the name catfish. So it is Balago attu. So option A, Labia rohita is wrong. B, Katla katla is wrong. Option C, Sirenia mrigala is wrong. Balago attu is correct. So option D is the right answer. Moving on to question number 27. Identify the plasmid. E. coli, PBr 322, AIUI, HIN3. The PBr 322, as it is the plasmid and it is an E. coli vector. In PBr, P stands for plasmid, B stands for Bolivar, R stands for rod race and 322 represents the strain. So the plasmid here it is PBr 322. Option A, E. coli is wrong. Option B, PBr 322 is correct. Option C is wrong and option D is wrong. So option B is the right answer. Moving on to question number 28. Match the types of bacteria in column 1 with their activity given in column 2. Choose the correct combination of alphabets of the two columns. Streptomyces, Rhizobium, Nitrosomonas, Acetobacter. Food poisoning, source of antibiotics, nitrogen fixation, nitrification, vinegar synthesis. A is Streptomyces is source of antibiotics. Then Rhizobium, nitrogen fixation. R, nitrogen fixation. Then Nitrosomonas is involved in nitrification. Acetobacter, it is for vinegar synthesis, that is T. So A is Q, B is R, C is S, D is T. That is A is source of antibiotics. Streptomyces, source of antibiotics. Rhizobium, nitrogen fixation. Nitrosomonas, nitrification. Acetobacter, vinegar synthesis. Go for the first one, AQ. Here it is AS, wrong. Here it is AT, wrong. Here it is AQ. Here also it is AQ. Go to the next one, BR. Here also it is BR. Here also BR. Go for the next one, CS. Here it is CP, wrong. Here it is CES, correct. DT. So option D is the right answer. Moving on to question number 29. ATP was discovered by, that is ATP, as we all know, it is called as energy currency of a cell, which was produced in the mitochondria of a cell. Hence mitochondria is called as what? Powerhouse of the cell, which generates energy in the form of ATP molecules. So ATP was discovered by option A, Lippmann, option B, Carl Lohmann, option C, Blackman and option D, Bowman. So ATP is known as energy currency of a cell, as we know, and it was Carl Lohmann to discover ATP, and as we know, it is produced by the mitochondria in the cell. So option A, Lippmann is wrong. Option B, Carl Lohmann is correct. C, Blackman is wrong. D, Bowman is wrong. So option B is the right answer. Moving on to question number 30. DNA fingerprinting technique was first developed by option A. Shkildon and Scaven, option B. Edwards and Steptoe, option C. Jeffrey, Wilson and Thien, option D. Boyson and Jensen. A British genetist by name Sir L.F. Jeffrey is widely considered as the father of DNA fingerprinting. As we know, it is one of the advanced technology that has come to the rescue of many people in solving problems like disputed parentage and even identifying the culprit who has committed the crime through this DNA fingerprinting. So it is a technique that has revolutionary forensic science, right? So it was Sir L.F. Jeffrey and his colleagues. So option A, Shkildon and Scaven is wrong. Option B, Edward and Steptoe is wrong. Jeffrey, Wilson and Thien is correct. Option D, Boyson and Jensen is wrong. So option C is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 31. A gene of a parent which synthesizes a repressor protein is option A, operator gene, option B, regulator gene, option C, promoter gene, and option D, structural gene. Operator gene regulates gene expression and prevents transcription, whereas promoter gene initiates transcription. Structural gene, a gene that codes for any RNA or protein product. Regulator gene codes for the repressor protein in inducible system and as a co-repressor in repressible system. So it is regulator gene. A gene of a parent which synthesizes a repressor protein is regulator gene. So option A, operator gene is wrong. Option B, regulator gene is correct. Option C, promoter gene is wrong. Option D, structural gene is wrong. So option B is the right answer. Moving on to question number 32. Match the excretory organs listed under column 1 with the animals given under column 2. Choose the answer which gives the correct combination of alphabets of the two columns. Nephridia, Malpighian tubules, Protonephridia, kidneys. Hydra, leech, shark, roundworms, cockroach. Nephridia. Nephridia is found in what? Annelids, that is leech, Q. Then Malpighian tubules, cockroach. Then Protonephridia, it is roundworms. Then kidney, it is shark. That is A is Q, B is T, C is S, then T is R, D is R. So first one, A is Q. Here it is A is T. So this is wrong. Here it is A is Q. Here also A is Q. Here it is A is wrong. So this is wrong. A and D are wrong. Go for the next one, BT. Here it is BS. So this is also wrong. BT. Here it is BT. Then CS. So here it is CS. DR. So option C is the right answer. Moving on to question number 33. Cerictaries are modified. Option A, gastric glands. Option B, endocrine glands. Option C, intestinal glands. And option D, salivary glands. Silkworm possesses a pair of modified salivary glands. Silkworm, Bombyx mori, which produces silk. The larvae produces silk called cerictaries, which are used for the production of clear viscous proteinaceous fluid which will become silk. So, cerictaries are modified salivary glands. So, option A, gastric glands is wrong. Option B, endocrine glands is wrong. Option C, intestinal gland is wrong. Option D, salivary glands is correct. So, option D, salivary gland. Moving on to question number 34. The law of limiting factors was proposed by A, Robert Hill, B, Emerson, C, F.F. Blackman, and D, Arnon. Law of limiting factor was given by F.F. Blackman, and according to this law, when a process is conditioned as its rapidity by a number of separate factors, the rate of process is limited by the pace of slowest factor. So this factor determines the rate of photosynthesis. So option A, Robert Hill is wrong. Option B, Emerson is wrong. Option C, F.F. Blackman is correct. Option D, Arnon is wrong. So option C is the right answer. Moving on to question number 35. Nebenkan is a part of human ovum, Option A, human ovum. Option B, human sperm. C, fetus. D, Graafian follicle. Nebenkeim is the mitochondrial formation in the human sperm. So it is found in the human sperm. After meiosis, the mitochondria of sperm collect on one side of the haploid pronucleus and fuse together into two giant aggregates. So these aggregated mitochondria then wrap around one another to produce a spherical structure called nebenkeim. So it is found in human sperm, is a part of human sperm. So option A, human ovum is wrong. Option B, human sperm is correct. C, fetus is wrong. D, Graafian follicle is wrong. So option B is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 36. The first antibiotic was discovered by R. Koch, B. Louis Pasteur, A. Fleming, and W. Fleming. The first true antibiotic was first discovered by Alexander Fleming. As we all know, penicillin is the first antibiotic which is called as a wonder drug, which was noticed in a fungus called Penicillium notatum. So the first antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming. So option A, R. Koch is wrong. Option B, Louis Pasteur is wrong. Option A, C, Alexander Fleming is correct. Option D, W. Fleming is wrong. So option C is the right answer. So moving on to question number 37. A four-chambered heart is not found in. As we know, some animals will have two-chambered heart, three-chambered heart, and four-chambered heart. Option A, snake. Option B, crocodile. Option C, mammals. And option D, birds. Four-chambered heart is found only in mammals and birds except for some reptiles like crocodiles. So crocodiles will also have a four-chambered heart and alligator. So among the four, snake is a reptile which is not having a four-chambered heart. So snake is wrong. So this is the right answer. B is wrong, C is wrong, and D is wrong. So not found in snakes. So option A is the right answer. Moving on to question number 38. Balanced theory of sex determination was proposed by option A, T.H. Morgan, option B, Walder, option C, Calvin B. Bridges, and option D, Strasburger. The theory of genic balance was given by Calvin Bridges in the year 1926. This theory states that instead of XY chromosome, sex is determined by the genic balance or ratio between X chromosome and autosome genomes. So Bridges worked on Drosophila melanogaster, which is called as the fruit fly, or it is also called as what? Cinderella of genetics. Cinderella of genetics. So it was Calvin Bridges. So option A, T.H. Morgan is wrong. Walder is wrong. C, Calvin Bridges is correct. D, Strasburger is wrong. So option C is the right answer. Moving on to question number 39. Elongation of genetically dwarf plant is possible by the application of A, abscisic acid, B, gibberellin, C, cytokinins, and D, ethylene. Gibberellin, as you know, it is one of a growth promoting hormone, phytohormone, plant hormone, which promotes stem elongation in many plants. And when it is applied to a plant, particularly the dwarf plants varieties, this elongation is seen, or it may be spectacular. So it is gibberellin. Option A, abscisic acid is wrong. Option B, gibberellin is correct. Option C, cytokinin is wrong. Option D, ethylene is wrong. So option B is the right answer. Moving on to question number 40. The primary visual area is located in option A, frontal lobe, option B, parietal lobe, option C, temporal lobe, and option D, occipital lobe. As we know, the cerebral cortex has 4 lobes, that is frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital lobe. The occipital lobes are the visual processing centers of the mammalian brain, and the optic nerve that carries the visual impulse from the eye the optic nerve carries the visual impulse from the eye to the occipital lobe of the brain. So, the primary visual area is located in occipital lobe. Option A, frontal lobe is wrong. Option B, parietal lobe is wrong. Option C, temporal lobe is wrong. Option D, occipital lobe is correct. So, option D is correct. Hope you all have understood part 2 of this Karnataka CET 2004 biology paper analysis. So, I'll be back with the part 3 of this KCET 2004.